Hi guys, welcome to UKMinis. So a little bit of a different video today. Thought we'd give you a bit more of an in-depth drive of what it's like and what it feels like and what it sounds like to have a drive in a classic Mini. This particular one is going to be our next competition car. So I'm going to go for a bit of a spin. Certainly fun. This thing flies! So this car that we're in today is a 1978, just been fully restored, 1293 Metro engine, as you can hear, straight through a tunnel. Believe it or not, Stevie Campbell, UK, is in the footwell of the classic Mini, which is making this certainly fun. A little bit about this car then, guys. It is painted in Cumulus Grey, which, believe it or not, is very similar to Nardo Grey, but it's actually an original British Leyland Mini Cooper colour. This has been fully restored, and when I say fully restored, I mean everything. Pretty much every single panel done on the car. It is as good underneath as it is on top. We'll pull up and I'll tell you a little bit more about the spec of the car. So now I've pulled over, guys. Obviously Stevie's gone from the passenger seat, so you can see obviously the actual seats. So standard Mini City seats, really nice and comfortable. Externally we have Cumulus Grey. Obviously the black headlining is very nice. So Cumulus Grey paint with an old English white roof. The engine, again guys, you'll see it in the B-roll, is utterly spectacular. It's just, you could eat your dinner off it. Under the car, again, is clean, straight through centre exhaust. It's a spectacular car. It's got everything you need. It's usable, absolutely mint, definitely show worthy. So yeah, all the information on how to enter and so on and so forth will be obviously in the comments below. So yeah, head over to our website www.ukminis.co.uk and get in the mix. We've had 7 winners so far. Absolutely spectacular cars, and this probably body-wise is the best that we've done so far. Engine setup, screaming, absolutely flies along, sounds mint. So yeah, enjoy guys. Thanks very much. Like, subscribe, and all that jazzy stuff that you have to do on YouTube, because we can't do this without you. Peace out. I'm going to go for a bit of a spin because this thing flies.